All right, hey people, Matty D here, A1 Solutions Group, here with the video today on should you pull all three credit reports? And the answer to that is a resounding yes. I would go so far as to be like, duh. Well, that might come off rude, but you should get all three. Simple, because you need to know what you need to know. You need to know what information is being reported accurately, inaccurately, what's wrong, what's false, what's fraudulent on all three reports. It does not serve you to only know what's on one or two. So also this goes into why Credit Karma is not the best and why I think it sucks. You can find a link for that up here. So, excuse me. You need to know what's on all three. And the answer to this, and I said this before, is that when you go to apply for a line of credit, credit cards, or a house, or a car loan, or an apartment, you don't know which bureau or bureaus that they are going to look at. It does not benefit you to know what's on two, but you have no idea. What's on the third one. Okay, and the place you go to, all right, pulls report from the one they you don't know what's on there, or they do a tri-merge, and the unknown one is the one that drags your score down. This is important. You gotta know this stuff, because if you're gonna run a race, let me ask you this: if you want to run a race, do you want to run it where you are fully prepared, you've eaten right, you've rested, you've had your supplements, or do you want to do it where you ain't got the shoes for it and you only train you didn't train as much for it? You want to be prepared for these things, just like taking a test. If you're gonna study for a test and it's a big deal to pass, you want to be prepared for it. Well, it's just like same thing comes to your credit. If you don't know what's on there, what's going on, then you'll be wondering why over and over. Why you're getting declined? What's this on there? You have to be informed, okay? And I know the point is, which I kind of forgot. It just doesn't cut. You gotta know what's on all three. And it's funny, I'll talk to people who have Credit Karma and they're like, well, I know it's on Equifax and TransUnion. And then I'll be like, well, what's on Experian? They'll be like, I don't know. You need to know. I don't care if it's terrible on all three, if it's great or so-so. If you know what's on all three, you're in the know, and you have to pull all three. You want to know what's on all three. My girlfriend asked me the other day, how accurate is Experian? Well, if you're getting your reports directly from the bureaus, that's what you have. They may miss one or two items just because of what's reporting, but the point is, if you're getting your credit reports from the bureaus, you have what you have on there. You know what's on there. You're seeing it. Okay, that's the best as far as making sure you have it all together. So, again, should you pull all three? I would. Why wouldn't you? Do you want to shoot yourself in the foot before you start a race? Do you want to go in the war having no supplies, having not been trained? Do you want to go apply for a new car, credit card, line of credit, house, not knowing 100%, not having that confidence 100% that, yeah, I'll get approved? Or do you want to go in there being like, I hope and pray, and you're taking a gamble? Take the gamble out, take the hope out, put in the knowing, get all three. And for those of you who want to, work with us and get your credit cleaned up, I can do a special for you just in this video. For those of you who watch the video, we can do $100 off to work with us. For more information and you like this video, please share, please subscribe for more tips on your credit. I'm here. Give me a call directly, 877-250-7170, extension 2, 877-250-7170, extension 2. Talk to you soon. Peace.